this video, what I'm going to do is go over a smart heated apparel. This is a vest, and this is something, I have a jacket, but I've always wanted a vest because sometimes I don't need the arms and all that. I just want a vest where I could wear like a long sleeve underneath and a vest over top. And this is by the company DOACE, and it has up to 8, it's got 8 heating zones. It's got 3 heating levels, and it's fast heating, and it's machine washable. And looking over it, you know what? Keep warm, stay active. How about that? And I think that's everything on the package here. Let's just go ahead and open it up. This is how I got it in right here. Very nicely packaged. It looks like you get a little set of instructions, user manual. The user manual is just going to go, battery is not included, by the way, guys. This does not have a battery with it, so I'm going to have to find my own battery. You need a 5 volt and over or equal to a 2.0 amp. So any little power brick will work. So let me find a little power brick. And then you got a red light is high temperatures, green light is medium, and blue light is low. Turn off, remove battery, chargeable. And you can see the panels where all the heated panels are right there. They actually have one in the neck. That's very nice. A neck panel. Control the abdomen. So it looks like the power button switches around different ones, and you could switch between the different, like where you want it at. And what else is this? This is a bag for it. They actually give you a little mesh bag for that. Very neat that they do that. Let's look at the unit. It's the jacket itself, or the vest, might I add. And I went with the extra large, and looking over it, this thing looks very premium. Looking over it here, got kind of chrome looking zippers with right there. It's got a logo right there, chrome zipper there. So going over it's 91.7% polyester, 8.3 spandex. Inner liner is 100% polyester, and the other liner is 100% polyester. So looking at it here, so inside this pocket right here is a USB-A on a braided cord, and it's at an angle. I like how they did that angle. I do have me a little power bank here. This is a, you know, a little kind of random power bank. Should be ready to go, and they have it on the cord goes up right there. So let's toss that down in there like that. Let's see if it comes on. All right, everybody, I can see that it's on. It's in the red. I love how they have different modes on this thing. That is awesome. So this is the front pocket here, this front area. That's the upper region, which is right here, the neck and the shoulders. And then this is the back. I love how you can adjust, and each one can be done individually. Look at that. There's red, green, blue, and I just want green there, so that's different temperatures. If you're on red, you're between 149 degrees, you're up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit and 65 degrees Celsius. And then if you're on green, you're 131 or 55 degrees Celsius. And if you're on blue, you're in the low, which is 113 to 45. So that is awesome. Check it out. I could actually be on all 3 modes right there. And they give you neck and shoulders, back and waist and abdomen. And there is a size chart to find your size on there. Guys, I can already feel that heating up right here. Very fast. Let me just put them all on red, and let's see how quickly that can heat up. I can feel that. That's actually really fast. This thing is awesome. Let me go ahead and put it on. So I'm wearing it here, and I can already feel right down in there, and you can kind of see right here the 3 modes. I like how I can adjust those modes, and if I just want to turn it off, I hit that oh, and it saves the mode. Very easy on and off. I will be using this a lot this winter. It doesn't get super cold here in the Southeast, but it gets pretty darn cold. And then I'm telling you, you want something like this. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the DOACE heated jacket. Highly recommend this. See you guys in the next video. Woo!